Right now, feels like it's happening. First time in film.
I know. It's such a big
O! Ładnie. Gdzie jechał?
We're just trying to find a place, Pops. Wzdłuż rzeki, czyli tu. Oczyszczyć ją tu skręcać? Następnie.
łzy. Łza jest ta. O, takie ładne. Tam idziemy. Ja sobie nagrywam. Będzie w prawo za tym muzeum.
Sure.
They did take the music up, but only
Everything had one fence on the front and the rear of the boat. That he could go over the side exit in, you could enter use of all the children. And then take the yellow off the car, you can start it off on, turn around and pick up and go to the boat. Over around the car, it's coming from the rear here. It's more down on the main cover. There's a lot of dicks in the car for pushing gear. I also put it on the penalty of the car side and something like that. Also, the little muscles like VHS audio, CPU, cell phone, compass, cruise, radar. And down on the main cabin, we have a light nutritional bar where you can get a couple of empty sugar boxes, which is a light short, and behind there, we have